Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has heavily defeated Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies on the Gondar front. If you remember, in the previous video, I informed you that there is a heavy fight going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force near Gondar and Ibnath. And 2 days ago, some pictures were also shared by Tigray Defense Force in which thousands of Tigray Defense Force soldiers can be seen in big trucks, and it was claimed by Tigray Defense Force that these soldiers are heading towards the Gondar, but now Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force has defeated Ethiopian National Defense Force heavily on the Gondar front and has gained control over heavy weapons, and a few pictures and a video clip about it have also been received. You can see these pictures on your screen, and also video I will share with you. In these pictures, you can see that heavy Ethiopian National Defense Force war weapons are now under Tigray Defense Force control, and it also includes a ZU-23 mm anti-aircraft cannon. You can see on the screen that it's completely new and its manufacturing date is also 2021, and it's under the control of Tigray Defense Force. In addition, Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have arrested several Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the war on Gondar front, and a few pictures about it are also shared that you can see on your screen. Heavy numbers of Amhara forces, Amhara militias, and Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers are present on the Gondar front, and 2 divisions of the Eritrean army are also present in Gondar. But reports continue to be received a few days ago that heavy fighting continues on the outskirts of Gondar between Amhara militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force. In addition, Eritrean soldiers are returning goods from Gondar and moving them to Eritrea's capital Asmara. And now Tigray Defense Force has won the victory by sending thousands of Tigray Defense Force soldiers to the Gondar front, and heavy weapons have been seized, including Zu-23 mm aircraft anti-aircraft cannon, which was purchased this year, and several Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers captured. Viewers, let's watch the short video clip, then we talk further. Now, here many reports received that Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara and Afar forces with Eritrean commandos swiftly advancing towards central capital Mekelle using a three-pronged fog strategy. It is being said that now Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies in full control of Abala, Ashigoda, Chichetkin, Desi, Lagdo roads and Chichet water reservoir. And it is being said that Chichet water reservoir is just 25 kilometers away from the central capital Mekelle, and tension on Mekelle airport is increased. Viewers, and there are also several claims from Oromo Liberation Army that heavy fighting is going on in several places between the Ethiopian Army and Oromo Liberation Army. According to OLA, Oromo Liberation Army is training thousands of newly recruited soldiers, and thousands of training has been completed and they have been deployed on the battlefield. A video clip has been shared by Oromo Liberation Army in which OLA Commander Jalmaro can be seen, where they are discussing with newly recruited soldiers. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
Argatan dirqama lammummaa amlee guutuun baachuuf irbuu yookaan amaanaa saba ofii fuutanii obsaaf murannoof kutannoon akka galmaan geessan abdii saba keessanii isinirraa qabu akka milkeessan isiniif dhaama. Umarratti eebbifamtoota guyyaadhaan baga geessan akkasuma uummati keenya immoo baga gammaddan baga waliin gammannee galatoomaa ulfaadha.
Ayyee tartiib sagantaa keenyaa akkuma itti fufeetti jira amma nama as keessa deebaan isin bohaartu jira.